Hey folks, and welcome to another Mike's Monthly Maintenance Minute. I'm Mike from Cozy Camper, and this month we're talking RV furnaces. Every RV furnace needs what's called the 4 always. Your furnace always needs 12-volt power, propane, ducting, and return air. If any one of these is missing, it's going to make your RV furnace not work. Now this is the most common failure we see in the field this time of year. Your RV furnace will turn on, blow cold air for 30 to 60 seconds, and then shut off and never come back. This is a clear sign that there's an airflow issue. Your furnace has what's called a sail switch. It's a small safety sensor that's designed to detect whether there's enough airflow for the combustion cycle to start. As a part of your fall maintenance, I encourage you to go outside and check your exterior exhausts. It's really common to find insect and even rodent nests inside, so if you see anything, you'll want to remove it. On the inside of your RV, it's really common for RV owners to block ducts and returns. So if you've put any carpets down or you've placed any objects in front of a vent, now's a good time to move them and clean the area. Now that you've cleaned your vents and exhausts, it's time to run a test cycle. Turn your thermostat as warm as it'll go on the heat function. If everything is working correctly, you should have ignition and warm air will begin to come out of the vents. If you haven't run your furnace in a while, you're likely going to smell burning. And that can be normal as the furnace has accumulated dust and other debris inside the combustion chamber over the season. If you've cleaned your ducting and your exhaust and your furnace still isn't igniting, now's the time to call an RV technician. If you really want to understand how your RV systems work, check out the Cozy Camper Academy and the Introduction to RVs course. There'll be a link in the description and an exclusive discount. Don't forget to subscribe and sign up for the Cozy Camper newsletter so you can get these tips delivered straight to your inbox. Until next time, I'm Mike with Cozy Camper, helping you enjoy worry-free camping.